Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you some new stuff that arrived at Dollar Tree. Now they have a lot of new colors on the vinyls, and they have permanent and removable. And they have some with glitter and some with prints as well. And these tools are back on stock, and as you can see, they have spatulas, they have the hooks, and also this craft scraper. And these are new designs of washi tape. I also found this new tempera spray paint, and the colors are beautiful for spring. And these are new pom-pom trims that you can find in the Easter section. And these diamond pens are back in different colors too. I found these cute hairbands in the beauty section that you can cut in pieces and use it as embellishments. These are the new spring colors in the storage section, and as you can see, they have this design for snacks. They also have this set of 3 small containers that are for snack too, but you can use it in any way at home. This is a new design of snack containers, and as you can see, it has flaps on the side, and when you open, you just take the lid, and inside it has a separate compartment. See, you just pull the lid up, and there you have space for something else. They also have these drawers that are in the spring colors. And these new designs of trays and containers that are for many uses. And they come in different sizes too. And these are the shoeboxes containers in spring colors. They are super cute. These are the new baskets, and they have in different sizes and shapes. And here are the jugs that matches the colors. And here are more containers in different shapes and sizes. And they even have the waste baskets. And here are the collapsible storage containers. They look like cubes and they have in these spring colors. Like this one is pink and they also have the peach and the teal color. And here you have more designs of shallow containers. These containers have a very good size to store a lot of things. You can use it for the pantry or for your craft room. And these ones are very decorative. And these containers have a very good size. Can you see? And they also have these cute baskets in these pretty colors. And these are the summer toys that arrived at Dollar Tree. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.